Hello, my name is Katie. I'm a Canva certified creative. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about the Canva brand kit. What is a brand kit? Where can you find a brand kit, as well as how to edit your brand kit? It is one of the features that I really love. So are you ready? Let's go and get started. So now let's talk about the brand kit. Now we are here in my Canva account right now, but before we proceed, I'm going to tell you more about the brand kit. It's a guide to maintain consistency across all your designs for your particular brand. Now the access. For teams and classes, only owners, administrators, template designers, and teachers can set up and edit the team brand kit. That means members cannot edit the brand kit. Uploading fonts, logos, creating more color palettes are available only to Canva Pro, Canva for Enterprise, Canva for Education, as well as Canva for nonprofit users. I am using a Canva Pro account right now. If you're designing on a partner website through the Canva button, the brand kit will not be available. So you have to make sure that you go back to your Canva account in order for you to use your brand kit features. Now, that's where we are right now. Where do you find the brand kit? The brand kit is one of the tools. Therefore, it's at the left side panel. So click brand kit and you will be routed here. Now, if you haven't actually activated or edited any of the brand kit in the past, you will see an untitled brand kit. So for you to change the name of the brand kit, just click on it and let's just choose personal brand, type it, and click enter. That's it. And for brand logo, there's a plus sign. Click it. And let's go to my logos right here, which I prepared. And I'm going to choose the first three. Click choose for upload. And there you go. You have already uploaded your brand logos. For the brand colors, by default, there are actually three here. Why three? Why three colors? Because it's what free users also get. But for Canva Pro users, you can have as many as 100 color palettes with 100 colors each. So that's what we are going to do right now. I'm going to click the plus sign and then I can choose the colors that I want. Right? Now, if you have brand colors and if you know the hex codes, you can also type that in here. All you need to do is just to highlight the hex code and change it. Now, let's pick another one. And let's pick another one. And of course, since we are using Canva Pro, we can pick some more colors that we want to up to our heart's content. Well, actually, just 100. All right. So there you go. Now you can also change the name. So let's say palette 1. And then that's it. That's already the colors for your palette. If you want to add some more, you just can click on this. So let's add a custom palette again. And we can choose more colors. So just toggle on the color spectrum right here. And then you can add more colors to your color palette. You can update the name, which is, let's say, palette 2. And that's it. We now have 2. We have 98 more to go. Now, in the brand fonts right here, we can update the text styles. So we can add a heading style, a subheading style, as well as a body style. So for the heading style, all you need to do is just to click it. And then a little pop-up would appear. And then you can choose the font that you want. All right. And then you can also check back here. And then you can choose the size, all right? And then you can choose if it's bold or if it's italicized. So same thing, that's what you need to do as well for the other text styles. So let's just choose some random fonts right here. And for the body style, one more to go. All right, and then we will choose this. And then again, you can choose the size of the font. For uploading fonts, here's what you need to do. You click on upload the font. You can look for your font files. I prefer to use .otf files. So I'll show you how to do that. We'll upload Greca. All right, it's an OTF file. And this pop-up window will appear. Please confirm the following by uploading my own custom font. I acknowledge that I own Greca.otf or have the right to use it for my intended purposes. So I have the right to do that because I purchased this font. So I'm going to click yes, upload away, and it will do the motions of uploading for me. And again, you can have up to 100 fonts. So if you can't find your brand fonts, you can just upload them on Canva and you can use them already. Now, switching on to brand kits. That's also possible if you have several brand kits available in your Canva account. We will talk about that in another video, so please have your ears peeled so that you will know when a new video is up. So there you have it. That's the basic, very basic and comprehensive overview of your brand kit. So the assets again are the brand logos, brand colors, as well as the brand fonts. I love it because it allows me to be more productive, more organized, while always being on brand. So when you say on brand, that means I have a very consistent approach to the designs that I create for my own brand. If you are on a Canva free account right now, you may try this super awesome feature for 45 days using an exclusive link for free. And once you are on a Canva Pro account, then you can already take advantage of the brand kit feature. So there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye!